Gigi, this spot is perfect for our nest. It's all green and branchy. Isn't it branchy? Like perfectly branchy?
Branchy isn't a word, Dave. And this is just the most pedestrian shade of green.
Yeah, right. Pedestrian. Whatever that means. But I love this spot even more. Wait, look at that thing. Gigi, do you see it? Oh my gosh, it's all roundy.
Did you just say roundy? Huh. Clean lines, slightly rounded. Very modern.
Hey, let's go inside. Oh, look at that. And that. And that thing there. It's so comfy.
Well designed, yet cozy. Impressive.
Oh my gosh, you love it. You love it, you love it, you love it, you love it, you love it. So much, admit it.
I do not. Okay, maybe a little.
I wonder what this thing is called. What? No way!
The New Nest by Airstream.